Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Captain Darren and my amateur radio call sign is N4VFR. In today's video, I'm going to update this 2015 iMac with a new solid state drive right here. Let me show you how to do that. This is a 1 terabyte solid state drive from OWC, the Mercury Electra 6G. And some of the things I have here, this is a torque. This is a T10 torque. And we have a prying tool, and I bought this from iFixit. Also from iFixit is the gasket, or the seal that goes around the frame of the monitor. Okay, the iMac is turned off. All the cables are removed. Let me show you this little wheel right here. Here's the tool that I'm going to use to pry open the glass. It's really thin that it goes right in between the glass right there. And what I plan on doing is taking that and breaking the seal around the monitor. I just want to break the seal around the glass. So we start in one corner and work your way around. Then I flip it around and using the other end. Alright, I feel it separating up here. Okay, now it's separating. You see it separating? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the ribbon cables that are attached to the screen. Looking down on the inside, you see it there? That's the ribbon cables I need to detach. Looks like there's two. There's also a seal at the bottom that I need to cut. There's the hard drive. We're going to remove that and replace it, but first, all this old gasket that's around the monitor here, we're going to remove all of that. Here's a closer look of the gaskets. I took all the adhesive, so there's no adhesive sticking onto it. It came off pretty easy, actually. Okay, very good. And down at the bottom of the base. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the hard drive, the old one. Now it's time to remove the hard drive. This is a T10 Torx. Okay, so I just separated, not to pull too hard. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive. You know, I wouldn't throw this away yet. This is still usable. I'm going to show you later on down the road what you can buy and actually use this as a hard drive, or you can extract the data off of it. Maybe you had pictures, or maybe you had some videos and movies. Alright, so let's put the new hard drive in. So here's the new hard drive, and let's take a look at the connectors. So the connectors are the same, they're similar. And the thickness a lot lighter and a lot thinner. I'm going to use the existing rubber protector and put it in the new hard drive. There's an adhesive behind it, so it comes out pretty easy. Now just reconnect it to the iMac. Okay, this is the new gasket, the iMac. This is for a 21.5 inch. This is the adhesive strip kit. Oh, a neat thing is that they've already included the opening tool. So if you're watching this video, you don't need to buy an additional opening tool. It comes with the iMac adhesive strip. It doesn't come with instructions, but we can figure this out. Okay, this is a fatter end. So looking at the iMac, this looks like it's going to go here, and they're numbered. So that's number 3. So I'm taking it, number 1 would possibly be on the top. So here's number 1. So number 1 would be up here. That'll be 1, 2, because it has a curve here, so that's 2, 3. Then we have what they call 4 right. So I'm thinking that goes here. That's 4 right. 4 left, 4L. So I take it that's going to go there. And then 5. It's number 5, and that's going to go on the left side. Just like this. Alright, so there's curvatures to where it's going to assist you where to place them. This is going to be the tricky part. I got 2 ribbon cables here. That's for the display, and they're going to be mounted here and here. I'm going to have to stick something underneath here to prevent this from coming down like this. So I'm going to stick a whole bunch of towels underneath here. Here's the towel I talked about. Just stuff it there, so there you go. So it's not going to come forward on me. Good. Okay, that's wedged there. Now for the ribbon cable. Okay, I got 1 connected, working on the second. There. Okay, I got the second connected. what I want to do first before I actually seal them together, I want to power on the computer to see if I get a display. I need to move the towel now. Okay, there it is. I got a display coming up. Remember, there's no operating system, so it's not going to boot up. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to seal. Come left a little bit. I want to make sure the eyesight, the iMac's camera, it's not covered. Alright, I just sealed it together. I'm just squeezing the corners. Take out the towel. Okay, I turned off the iMac and there's no operating system on the new SSD. So what we're going to do is we're going to power on the iMac and then we're going to hold down Command Option R. Your keyboard needs to have a USB connection to the back of the iMac because you haven't set up the Bluetooth communications yet. So make sure you have that connected. So powering on now. I'm going to hold Command Option R. I'm just holding it down during the reboot. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Let me show you the screen. Okay, this is what it's currently displaying, so I need to choose a network. Again, I need to get another mouse, or let me see if I can go scroll up and down. Okay, so I can scroll up and down because my mouse isn't working. I'm going to connect to my network. After I push Command Option R, enter my Wi-Fi password. It's connecting to the internet and it's going to start perhaps downloading the Mac OS for my iMac. So I got 5 more minutes remaining and I'm going to let this run. Now back to the old hard drive. So the old hard drive works, so you can actually use it for storage, you can use it for videos, home movies, or even photos, documents, storage. So you could buy this. This is a USB 3.0 to a 2.5 SATA connection. So it has a USB connection here and a connection for your SATA. You just connect it like this, like that. Connect this portion to your USB. Now you can use this as an external hard drive. This is it. The second option, it says reinstall Mac OS Monterey. I want to install a new copy on this Mac. So just follow the instructions and now you have a new machine. Alright, Mac OS Monterey. I'm going to continue. Now it's installing. Well, hopefully that you made a backup of your files, or you can actually retrieve them. Retrieve, is that a word? Retrieve them again on your hard drive. You can just connect this to your computer and retrieve those documents, files, pictures, and then just reinstall it on here. Hey guys, my name is Captain Darren. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe. Smash that like button. It motivates me to make more videos, and when you click on that like button, it's that YouTube algorithm. It puts my videos on top so everyone wants to watch my videos. Let me click on agree. Click on agree so I can continue. And then it's going to ask me to select a disk where you want it to install your Mac OS. But 73s, and have a great day. Catch you on the next video.